Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we are doing a quick review on Castr. Now Castr is easy and powerful video streaming solution. That's right, based on 500 plus reviews, and it's so much more. You can try for free, no credit card required, you can cancel anytime. You can see what it gives us. It gives us transcoding, Steam, stream protection, developer API, dedicated support, paywall, video hosting. It's trusted by amazing companies like Sony, Coinbase, Texas, and the rest of them. So you get unique features and superior support. You can see the unique features you get. So many, you can try them out. So many unique features you can get from them. So it is trusted by 200 plus streamers. They rated 4.7 out of 5 on Castr. So many people have great things to say about them. So you can, if you are still on the fence, you can take a sneak peek and see what you could do with Castr by clicking on start free 7-day trial today. Like I said, it's a 7-day free trial. You can cancel anytime, no credit card is required to start. So the products are live stream, multi-stream, video hosting, video monetization, white label OTT platform, IP camera streaming, TV player. You have tools like HLL stream tester, dash stream tester, bandwidth calculator, bitrate calculator, Castr developer API, service status, and change log. So many great things you can do here. You can even compare them with other streaming platforms to see how great they are. You can also download it for the desktop app. So what are you waiting for? Give Castr a try today.